I left YouTube in 2025. Before you judge me, listen to my story first. I was doing YouTube, I was doing everything that every creator wants to do. I was posting videos, I was sharing ideas, I was inventing myself, I did research, I did studies, I was going to the farm, coming back, make videos, edit. When people who go to the farm, they'll understand the challenges it takes to be working in a farm, coming back and doing videos. I was giving my all, but yet something was missing. I gave all, okay, but I went through situations that 10 minutes video could not explain. It could not heal. Okay, I went through diverse situations which really humbled me. Yes, in 2025. So, despite the fact that I usually share content on agriculture, cost analysis on different methods of farming, what you ought to know in farming, which ones were profitable and which one were not, I still felt something was missing, okay? Something was missing, and this brought me to take a break from YouTube. I had to take a break from all social media platforms and went for further studies. I had to study a lot, I had to research a lot, and right now I'm going to be sharing with you what I've gone through and how this channel is going to change from henceforth. If you're coming into my channel, my name is Tal Magdalene. I am a post-harvest advocate and I work within the value chain, okay? I've improved. I no longer talk only about farming, but now you see how to transform products from the harvest stage right up to the supermarket. I'm here to ensure that farmers don't lose their crops. Okay, just dive into me. Let me explain some of the concepts we are going to see as we are going further. Please, if you're coming into our new the channel today, kindly like, subscribe, share. And if you have been there and you have been waiting for me for over a year without a current video, without clarity, I appreciate you and I want you to know from the bottom of my heart, I'm super grateful for what you have done and for you believing in me and staying this long. Now, I discovered that farmers plant, okay, and they lost all of what they plant. I don't know if you have been through this and you're a farmer. I've seen situations where farmers harvested tomatoes, but before getting the market, they were already bad ones inside. Pepper were not left out. Okra were not left out. Vegetables were not left out. There were so many losses. I myself, there were losses I encountered that cannot be explained in this video. It cannot be explained, but from the bottom of my heart, I still feel that pain as a farmer, being able to work and have losses, okay, not being able to have gains after it. So that was my reason for stepping out and doing a research how I could help farmers. So going forward, I will be working with farmers, I'll be working with youths, I'll be working with aggregators, and I'll be sharing you videos from our organization about the different transition of farming business. Now, I'm not just talking about farming, I'll be talking about agribusiness. Now, agribusiness in a simple or a layman definition is simply agricultural business. When we are talking about agricultural business, we'll be talking about harvest, we're talking about transformation, we'll talk about value added, we'll talk about the market, we'll talk about export, we'll talk about how you could meet foreign partners and what quality has to play in your product. Why products are rejected at the poor and why some are accepted. What makes your product a good quality one? Now, some of the youths listening to this video might want to ask, what is there for us? What is there for us? Youth, you're not left out. You don't need to sow your hands for you to become a farmer, okay? You don't need to sow your hand for you to do agribusiness. Now, there are several ways I'm going to be exploiting now how youths could add value to products, either ginger, pepper, tomato. If you go to the supermarket nowadays, you see different products that are coming up. Okay, I found clarity for myself, and I believe it would help you too. I'm not here to use my teacher mentality, okay, or being able to teach. I'm trying as much as to relate it as a story because it really breaks me. I understand as a farmer to encounter losses, and I understand the perspective of youths running away from farming. But I know one thing, as a youth, you can make money without owning a farm. With a youth, you can make money without owning a farm. And as a farm owner, you could sell your agricultural products in more than 5 forms. Okay, if you're selling your produce just one form, you're losing out. And if you're losing out, who do you think is making money from you? Okay, so those are the things I'm going to share because there are a lot of things going on. Farmers have been ignorant, there have been losses, and some are giving up on farming. Giving up on farming is just lack of knowledge, and I'll try as much as possible to keep sharing, to keep giving you back to back. So this is my comeback video. I'll try to post at least twice a week, but I must drop a video every week as this year started. This is my new year resolution, and I'm coming to share with you how as a youth you can intervene in the farming business to make money. Okay, as a youth, how you could take this product, monetize it and sell it abroad. As a youth, how you could leverage on farming to make wealth for yourself. We are going to be learning a lot, and I'll try as much as possible not to teach too much, but to tell it as a story so that it relates to you, it relates to me. I stepped out, I found clarity, and now I'm sharing the clarity with you. Together, let's stop food waste. People produce quantities of goods that gets lost every year. Let's take pineapple. Pineapple, before leaving one state to another, gets bad. You cannot only use pineapple for fruit juice. There's pineapple snacks. There's different things to use pineapple for. So I'm just studying all through. Okay, so thank you for staying with me, and share my videos because I might be late, but yet the latest. I'm going to revamp this page. Everybody is going to get it. Everybody is going to be uplifted and study more. Thank you for welcoming. Okay, thank you for watching our videos. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, and this is a new season. Happy New Year to all Finance with Magdalene subscribers. I'm here, I'm back. Thank you.